Today's video is about how to convert a PDF into an editable Word document. And before you can do that, you'd have to open Microsoft Word. This is Microsoft Word. And over here, we have some templates that you can use, but that is not the goal of today's video. You navigate your mouse to the left side of your Microsoft Word. We have Home, New, and Open. When you click on Open, there will be some options available for you to select your PDF file from. So I'm going to click on Browse. When I click on Browse, I have some documents over here and I'm going to select one of them. So I'm going to select this. It's a PDF file. So I'll just click on Open. After selecting the file that you would want to convert into a Word document, you'll get a pop-up which says Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document, and you would say OK. When you click OK, you can enable editing and you say OK. Then you can edit your document. So I'll just try typing something over here and you can see that I'm able to edit my PDF. After editing your document, you can save by just using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S. And you can name the file type because you already have the same file type on your desktop. So you might want to rename it, give it speech for graduation 1, and then you can change the save as type. You want PDF, so you can just choose PDF, then you click on save, and then your file or your document is going to get saved for you. This is all about converting PDFs to Word documents. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. Please don't forget to like the video, comment your thoughts on this video, and share as well.